Let go. You're not letting go, are you?
Exactly. As she chews on it. But her tries to anyway.
Okay, I think her claw got stuck.
Careful, you don't make her fall down. Make sure her claws aren't caught. I don't want her claws yanked out.
Yeah, kind of the paws cut. There you go.
Crazy kitty. Uh-uh. And see. Watch out for my boot. You don't want to hit the boot.
Boots ahead.
Yeah, exactly.
Anytime you're ready.
Okay, I'm for 5 minutes.
Uh-uh. Uh,
Hey, nice shot.
oops.
There's one I threw in the back.
And see.
Well, I was going to say thank you to your husband. He has to take something off to show that he can hear me. I don't know if he wears something.
He's gone. He's not here.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm glad
Whoa.
you enjoyed it.
Flip.
Huh?
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
I hope you did too.
Thanks. What are you doing? Thanks.
Probably not anything to get in trouble, but
Thanks.
Jeff was afraid that she's going to get in trouble.
Yeah.
Thanks. What are you doing? Stop messing with this,
Stuff.
stuff.
If you need any regular lawn, no electricity, I'll do both.
Hey, what's it?
I don't, I'm only a little
Away, away, away.
No, language. I'm getting my English language back.
Yeah.
Way of language.
I get mine twisted.
Huh?
I get mine twisted.
Tongue twisted, Ma.
When I'm tired, I really get twisted.
Whoa! Crazy NC. Crazy kitty alert. Hey, look at that. She's bobbing her head up and down. Bobbing. Bobbing. Okay.
Oh, yeah. One can do it.
Hmm. Okay, NC. Let go.
I hope you don't think
Let go.
my pain was really good. I just,
Wow, it was interesting.
you doing something.
It was interesting.
Absolutely.
And like I said, you gotta do something to keep yourself busy.
This has really become the aspect of the rest of my life. My health is good.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have a good reason to stay busy.
Yeah.
go. That's my take on it.
Yeah, yeah. and Some of them are put on, and they're there just because they have nothing else to do, nothing better to do. So they come and visit us. And there's people out there who are actually there for what they're supposed to be there for.
Yeah, well, it's the feeling that you have if you're gonna help somebody.
Hmm.
All righty then. I'll
Mhm,
see you
mhm,
soon
yeah.
now.
I'll see you soon. Take care.
Okay, thank you.
Careful.
I'll look into it.
Making her huff and puff again.
Maybe. Okay, everyone.